Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about matrices. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. So let's see what are matrices. Okay, so in general, matrices of order m into n is represented by this rectangular boxes. Okay, so this is 2 by 2 matrix and this is 3 by 3 matrix. Now why we call this matrix as 2 by 2 matrix? As we know that these are horizontal rows, right? So this is row R1 and this is row R2. Similarly, vertical are columns. So this is column C1 and this is column C2. So as we can see that there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So we can write this as 2 into 2. In general, we write it as m into n. So in this case, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 2. Now what this m and n represents? Okay, so this m is nothing but number of rows and this n is nothing but number of columns. Hence we can say that this is 2 by 2 matrix with m as 2 and n as 2. Now the elements inside the matrix we represent in general as a11, a12, a21 and a22. So a11, it means that first row and first column. This first one is row and this is column. a12, it means that first row and second column. Similarly, a21, it means that second row and first column. Similarly, a22, it means that second row and second column. Okay, so in general we can say that this matrix consists 4 elements. So total number of elements in this matrix are 4. And generally we denote matrix by capital letters like A, B, C, D and so on. Okay, now this is 3 by 3 matrix. So let us call this as matrix B. So our B is 3 by 3 matrix. As we can see that there are 3 rows. So this is R1, R2 and R3. Similarly we have 3 columns. This is C1, C2 and C3. So we can say that in this case m into n is 3 into 3. That is number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 3. Okay, so we can see one example related to this. So if I am writing one 3 by 3 matrix here, so any numbers -2, 1, 3, 4, 8, 0, 6, 1 and 9. And they'll ask you some elements. So find A31. So if you will compare this matrix with this matrix, what you can see that A31 is 6. So you can directly write A31 is 6. Similarly, if they'll ask you write A32. So A32, you know that A32 is this place. So it is 1. They can ask you A12. So by comparing, you know that A12 is this position. So A12 is 1. In this way you can write all the elements as you know the arrangement of elements in this. Okay, now let's see one more example. As you can see that matrix C is written on the board. So C consists of 3 rows and 2 columns. So we can write order of C as, so order of C is 3 into 2 or 3 by 2. So 3 rows and 2 columns. Similarly, total number of elements. So total number of elements in this matrix are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total number of elements are 6. Okay, hope so all your basic concepts related to matrices are clear. In next lecture we are going to learn about types of matrices. Thank you and stay tuned. And please do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics.